Hi guys, you're welcome back. Nigerians hails Chidi Banks as he dropped astonishing love message for Sylvia. The co-finalist of the just concluded love show, Chidi Banks, has stolen the hearts of his fans in a mind-blowing love message he dropped for the woman after his heart. Chidi took to his Instagram account and shared stunning photo of Sylvia with astonished love message that can make someone to fall in love without looking back. Sharing on Instagram, Chidi Banks said, "Diamonds and pearls are rare to find, and when one should find one, he or she should definitely keep it." He also stated that he is fortunate to have found the latter in a woman form, and God knows for sure that he wants to keep this one, to cherish and treasure all life long, so help him God. That love message was seriously pointed at Sylvia because ever since they got to know each other, love between them has been like the air we breathe daily. Reacting to the mind-blowing message penned down by Chidi Banks, Nigerians hail him and advise him not to disappoint their baby girl. Sylvia reacted saying, "My man crush, love you baby." As we all know, Chidi and Sylvia were couples at the just concluded TV reality show called Ultimate Love Season 1. They were paired together to search for their ultimate love with the couple named Chivia. The lovely couple ended up being among the finalists and the first to be evicted at the final laps. What do you have to say concerning this amazing love message Chidi Banks dropped for Sylvia? Do you believe that Sylvia is a diamond despite having a hidden secret that made things not to work out between her and Jerry during the love show? Kindly use the comment box and drop your opinion. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.